Don Walker here with an unbelievable find. This 1967 Thunderbird with a 428 V8 engine in it has only 33,000 miles. That's right. This car is just as nice as you're going to find any old classic car. The Landau top. The interior is all original, along with the top. The car has been painted somewhere along the line, don't know when. Been a very nice paint job on it. Everything else is original. There's not a pit on the chrome, no rust. It's been a Colorado car. It was bought here at Rosen Novak Ford, an old dealer in Denver, Colorado. I just don't know where you'd find a nicer Thunderbird. It's got a fresh tune-up, oil change, tires are great, ready to go. So give me a call. I'll give you more information if you need it. Don Walker, Walker Investments, for this one-of-a-kind Thunderbird.